So I'm about to forecast the market right now. And by the way, I'm still new to Falcon. So all of you advanced Falconeers, don't roast my analysis, okay? I've been in the community for like a month and a few weeks. So don't roast me. I'm still learning. I'm going to improve over time. By the way, my name is Urifile Dlamini, a soon-to-be seven-figure profitable day trader. So just don't be stingy with the like button there because I know you will like this video, and the subscribe button, they're just right there, bro. I'm gonna wait for you to do it right now. Are you done? Okay, let's carry on with the forecast. By the way, follow me on Instagram too. I forgot about Instagram. Yeah. So guys, let me show you what I was looking at yesterday. Right. So you see this area over here, this value area. Price approached it with like a 3 drives pattern, right? And then here it gave us a bit of a doji, but not really that much confirmation. But when you go on the 4-hour, price gave us this retrace candle, then price gave us this follow through, right? And then pull back, gave us another follow through, broke this low over here. And when price broke this low, I was looking for a continuation pattern, right, which I got in the 15-minute time frame. And as you can see, we got that continuation pattern. As price reached this area over here, I broke even. Then after breaking even, price just came back up and came back down, did all of this, and then went back up again, right? And then on GBP CAD, what I was looking for yesterday, right? So I was actually looking for price to go lower, right? Because I saw this failed continuation pattern to the upside. When this continuation pattern failed, I looked for price to go below this low. Price went below that low, gave us a continuation pattern on the 15-minute, but I missed this. You see, I even wrote it here. I was expecting price to continue bullish, but changed my mind after the fail of the continuation. So yes, this over here, I missed this, but I was forecasting it, and I'll just show you right now on my Notion. Okay, so this is my Notion right now, and then this is July. This was yesterday's forecast. Let me just show you what I was actually looking for, right? So I was looking for an NZD-USD short, you see over here, and then I was looking for price to go below that low and give us the flag like I did say. And then I was looking for price to give us a flag below this to go lower. But I think price gave us a flag below this. I forgot. But yeah, I was looking for that. I even wrote it down. I mean, I noted it over there. Yeah, and then I was looking for that. And then this is GBP CAD. I was also looking for the short. I was looking for price to give me that short over there, right, because of the failed continuation, of course. And then I was looking for the continuation either below this low, either below this low, and we got it below this low, right? And yeah, that was my forecast basically. But like I said, guys, I'm a beginner, so don't roast me, I'm still learning. So yesterday I was on a call with Tom Thorpe. If you guys do not know him, here is the video to his podcast with Mark. So Tom Thorpe is part of the foundation team in Falcon trading, right? And he recommended that I watch the trade recap and not focus on any other webinar. So the trade recaps actually give you an idea of Mark's thought process behind each and every trade he takes or has taken. And also what it does is that it shows you what the trade, a valid trade, looks like, and what a high risk and a low risk trade should look like, right? And it's very funny because at the beginning of the Falcon content, Mark actually says that you must not focus on the trade recaps, but Tom explained it, and now I actually understand why I should actually be focusing on the trading recaps, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna watch one trade recap 3 times.
Welcome to another trade recaps. In this recap, I will be covering a few things. So, 2 trades. I'm not saying they're completely invalid.
So I just finished watching the trade recaps right now, and what I'm about to do is I'm about to finish this book. I'm left with like 6 pages, and then I am done with this book. It's a very insightful book by Miles Monroe. I recommend all of you guys to read it if you want to grow in your spiritual lives. So I'm going to read this book, and then after that I'm going to prepare to go to the gym. So the next clip you guys are going to see is of me in my gym clothes and heading to the gym. Let's go to the gym. So guys, I'm actually on the road. I do not like driving while shooting content, right? I deem it very dangerous, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So please subscribe, right? I just want to talk about prayer, guys, because I did say that I'm going to talk about that book that I read. So it's a book on prayer by Dr. Miles Monroe. You guys should go actually check that book out. It's a very insightful book, right? I want to encourage you guys to pray for each other. You see, prayer means a lot to God, and prayer does a lot more than you guys think. And we all know people who are struggling. We all know people who are struggling to get breakthroughs, whether it be trading, whether in school, whether in their marriages. And we all know people who are just struggling in certain situations of their lives, right? And we need to pray for those people, guys. As much as we want God to answer our prayers, we also want Him to help those who we love and those who are in need of His help, you see. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, first of all. Another thing that I want to let you know, it's just a young life updates, right? So I was doing Uber Eats for a while. But then something dangerous happened. Actually, Uber Eats puts me in a lot of dangerous situations. That's why I decided to stop doing Uber Eats. Because you find yourself, bro, in a squatter camp. Like this one place called Slovo Park. I find myself in that place around 8:30 p.m., bro. Right? I don't know anyone. It's dark. There's load shedding. So, bro, I don't like people who just don't want to give you a chance to enter the road, bro. Oh! Yo, bet! Oh, no, damn what is. No, it's my friend, guys. This dude, I was so upset with him, and then he was just greeting, and I'm like, oh, it's this guy over here, bro. I was so upset. I'm like, why don't you just pass? I wanna pass. I wanna enter. Like, drive fast, or like, dude, why? God, it's just this dude over here. Yeah, that's so nice. It's actually so nice to see your friends once in a while. Anyways, you see, I even forgot what I was saying, guys. I'll talk to you when I arrive at the gym. Bye. There's this dude at the gym who drives such a dope car, bro. Like, it's a very, very sick car, bro. You're just love it. It's a Ford Mark 1. I was stuck in traffic as I was coming back home, and I saw this one wife who was busy yelling in the car, and the husband was just like... And it reminded me of this clip over here.
Place. If there were women on the panel,
Tracy.
If there were women on the panel, they would, ask any woman if she would choose her car over her children, and she'd take the kids any day, whereas I would question a lot of men out there, quite frankly.
Tracy, I can't
There's a
believe what I
reason
just
that
heard
women
you
live
say.
longer, Mark. Let me tell you. It is because we are stronger
Yes.
and we are happier at the end of the day than most men, and that is factual, and you know it.
When men are married to women who scream like you, they just want to die sooner.
Yeah, I hope that love never ever finds me, bro. Like, I really pray to God that I never have to go through such a thing in my entire life. Yo, hangeke. So if you made it this far, please comment die sooner, right? The reason for this is so that I can know that you made it this far. Secondly, to confuse everybody who did not make it this far in the video when they look at the comment section. Another thing is that I'm only going to reply to comments that starts with die sooner. So if your comment doesn't start with die sooner, don't expect any response from me. Now I am going to bath, then I'm going to have to go to church. After going to church, I'm going to come back and watch the trade recap that I watched earlier on in the day. And then I'm also going to watch Building a Thesis, which is a module or a lesson in the Falcon mechanics. Just to let you in on my posting schedule, I'm going to post 2 videos a month. The reason for that is that I want to focus more on quality more than quantity from now on. So there's a video that is coming out for you guys tomorrow, which is not this one, which is the video before this one, right? The one you watched before this one. And then there's going to be a video, which is this one, that's going to come out on the 18th, no, on the 11th, which is the next week, Friday. And it doesn't really bother you because you guys are watching this video. Then on the Monday, next week Monday, after this video, the next week Monday, I'm going to post another video. Yeah. So I just come from church. Everybody say, Amakekeka Victoria! Victoria! You guys know what time it is. It's time to watch Falcon. It's actually 9 p.m. Yeah. 9 p.m. I have been doing YouTube for almost 5 years now, and I have never ever gotten a cent, even a single cent from YouTube. This year my goal is to finally get monetized for the first time, and I cannot achieve that without you guys. So what I am going to do is that I am going to bring out the best piece of content that I can ever produce. And in turn, I hope you guys watch the videos. I hope you guys get value from the videos. I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys share it with the people that you feel like need to watch this content most. So here's the subscribe thing. Here's a video that YouTube thinks will like, and this is the end of the video. Be safe. Take care. I'll see you next time.